Hi everyone, today's headlines. Nagaland contributes Rs 28 lakhs for Ram temple construction in Ayodhya. Kohima commercial vehicles fare reversed. Chief Minister and LOP call on Amit Shah in Delhi. Poland to reintroduce nationwide lockdown as COVID-19 surge. Coal mining claims 4 leaves in Mogochong. New Dimapur-Zubsa railway line update. Drilling for 3 tunnels completed. 1 underway. No new COVID-19 cases detected in Nagaland. Tally stands at 12,225. News in details. Nagaland contributes Rs 28 lakhs for Ram temple construction in Ayodhya. Nagaland has contributed Rs 28 lakhs towards the construction of Ram Mandir in Ayodhya during the world's biggest crowdfunding campaign, stated Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Kshetra Trust on March 6, 2021. From the northeastern region, Arunachal Pradesh has contributed Rs 4.5 crore, Manipur Rs 2 crore, Mizoram Rs 21 lakh, Nagaland Rs 28 lakh and Meghalaya Rs 85 lakh during the contribution drive, said an update from Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Kshetra Trust. Kohima commercial vehicle fare reversed. The Deputy Commissioner of Kohima, Grigory Tejavali NCS, in an order stated that the occupancy in commercial vehicles within Kohima district has been relaxed to 100% and that the fares charge shall also be reverted back to the pre-lockdown rate. The order came in pursuance to the decision of the high-powered committee on COVID-19 to relax the various activities in the state, including the number of occupancy in commercial vehicles. Chief Minister and LOP call on Amit Shah in Delhi. Nagaland Chief Minister Nefirio and the leader of opposition TR Ziliang, along with Minister Tongpang Ozukam and advisor Moholoma Kikon and H. Kihovi Yeptomi, called on Union Home Minister Amit Shah in New Delhi on Thursday. Talking to Twitter, the Chief Minister said they urged the Government of India to expedite the peace process and bring about an early and honorable solution to the Naga political issue. Rio said the delegation held a positive meeting. We urge the Government of India to expedite the peace process and bring about an early and honorable solution to the Naga political issue, Rio tweeted. Poland to reintroduce nationwide lockdown as COVID-19 surge. The Polish government said that it will reintroduce a full nationwide lockdown from Saturday onwards in the wake of a resurgence of new coronavirus cases. In the last 24 hours, a total of 25,052 additional people tested positive for the virus, the highest since November 7, 2020, when 27,875 new cases were confirmed in a single day, reports Xinyu News Agency. Coal mining claims 4 lives in Mogochong. 4 miners died in a suspected gas poisoning inside a coal mine in Mogochong district as per a delayed report. The death occurred on March 16 in a coal mine located in between Mengkolamba sub-divisional headquarters and the Longnak Valley. Confirming the incident yesterday, the Mogochong police informed that it happened in a mine located on the steep hillside in the Atopami area on March 16 evening. The deceased victims were hired laborers. New Dimapur-Zubsa railway line update. Drilling for 3 tunnels completed. 1 underway. Drilling of 3 tunnels for the Dimapur-Zubsa railway line or New Bodh Gauge line under the Northeast Frontier Railway has been completed and work on Tunnel 1 is currently underway. This was found out during a sport visit by its newspaper to check the progress of the ambitious railway project, which is aimed at the bringing railway to Nagaland's capital Kohima. To date, drilling work for 3 tunnels, Tunnel 1A at Chumukuduma village and Tunnel 2 and Tunnel 3 at New Chumukuduma for the new Dimapur-Zubsa railway line covering 82.3 km from Dhansuri to Zubsa have been completed. No new COVID-19 cases detected in Nagaland. Tally stands at 12,225. Nagaland COVID-19 tally remained unchanged at 12,225 for 5th consecutive days with no new cases recorded on Thursday. The Minister of Health and Family Welfare S. Pangifom informed through an update on social media that no positive cases and recoveries were detected in Nagaland in the last 24 hours. According to the information provided by the Health Department, the state currently has 7 active asymptomatic cases, 11,973 recoveries and 91 deaths, of which 10 have been ruled not COVID related. That's all for now. To get us latest news, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.